We started at KLC the Yes You Can series because one of the things at KLC we say all the time is how can we minimize your stress? How can we create peace of mind for you in your home, in your design, in entertaining, in being ready for grandkids coming over, whatever it is. And we find with the Yes You Can series that we're able to do a step-by-step of how you can take things you already have in your home and put them together in such a way that you're really happy with the finished outcome of that. And we are taking that from our community. So if there's areas that you really struggle with, like how do I decor my vanity so it looks more finished? There's so much stuff on my vanity. How do I deal with this? Coffee tables, we get asked all the time, outdoor spaces, mantels. You guys can do it. We love it when you send us the photos back. We had one after our Galentine's table one this past year where someone used the steps we use for Galentine's and she used that to do her Easter table and she did such a lovely job. We were very proud of her. So yeah, with Yes You Can, we want to make it design accessible to you. We want to give you the tools that you need to be able to look at a blank canvas of a coffee table or a mantle or your dining room table and just be like, oh, I've got this. I've got this in my house already. I already have glasses, I have books, and you guys can do it. You can put it together, yes you can, and make it awesome.